Okay, so good morning, guys. This is a quick one. So today we'll be analyzing GBPUSD. So I'll start by plotting my monthly SNRs. So this is my first SNR, first monthly SNR, and this is what I can see on the monthly time frame. So let me go back. Let me make sure these things are correct. Let me go down to the weekly. So on the weekly time frame, I got this rejection. So this level is no longer fresh. That's been posted, so it's no longer fresh. So what can I see here? What can I see on the weekly? I can see that there was a break of structure here to the downside, which is this break of structure, and there was a sweep of liquidity here. So this makes this a QM formation. Okay, so I have a weekly break of structure. If I turn over to the line chart, you can see it clearly. So whenever we have something like this, we always look out for a retest to the nearest SNR above that has liquidity. You get, and I think it has been taken out. You get, in some cases the market might come back to this level. You get, but because of this monthly SNR, because after plotting this stuff, you have to go to one time frame above, and price has already retested this level with this rejection, making this level not to be fresh again. You get, so if I go down to one time frame below, which is the daily, so I like taking my trading range on the daily. So if you notice here, we have this trading range in this month, this trading range, this, I'll have this one here. If you want to know more about trading range, you have to check my previous videos on my channel. So I have this trading range, this, so the market has finally tapped in here. So what I was looking at this point in time here is for me to see a shift or a break in structure, because at this point we were not bullish, you get, until we got this retest here. So I was now waiting for a shift in market structure, you get. So on the daily, I got this shift here to the downside, confirming the bearish move. Then where is my SNR? I have this daily SNR here, which is this one. This is my daily SNR. This is my daily SNR. So when I move down to my lower time frame, let's say the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I can refine this SNR, or I can leave it like this, then plot, because I want to take my trade based on the 4-hour and the 1-hour. So this is my zone currently. The zone I'll be trading, I'll be looking at entries from. Because this is my zone. So what am I seeing here? Now I have, remember what happened here? We had this break of structure to the downside here, and we plotted our SNR on the daily. On the daily. So for me to confirm that this other trading range, because this is the external trading range, while this is the internal trading range, for me to confirm that this has created the high of this internal range, I need to see a break of structure here too. So since I've gotten this break of structure, that means I now have the high of this internal range. So if I mark out that high, this one, so I now have the high of this internal range. So what I'm looking at is to take a trade. My trade setup is going to be like this: short position from here back to, and then you target the external range. So this is like a swing trade. This is going to be the entry, stop loss above this range. Correct. So this is what I'm looking at. So if I go back to my 4-hour time frame, so this is how my trade setup looks like. So currently I have this rejection. I have this rejection from this point here, from my SNR. Immediately tap into my daily SNR, there was this rejection, and price close below it with an inside bar. Okay, so what I'm looking at now is for me to go down to my lower time frame. Currently is around 1 o'clock midnight Nigerian time. So this is Asian section, and there's no volume in the market. So what I'll be looking at is still at where I have this SNR, still where I have my daily SNR, like where I have this my new SNR now, because this is supposed to be an SNR, is where I have my daily SNR. So I'm not going to mark anything. So what I want to see tomorrow is, first of all, once this London section, I want to take my entry from here, because normally the way I would have entered this trade is I already have a limit order here that triggered this trade. So ideally I'm on the trade. Okay, but another way to enter this trade is to go to 15 minutes. You get, now on the 15 minutes, what can you see here? So we have a miss. A miss is when you have something like this, a downtrend, and you have something like this, So price will definitely come down, maybe break that structure and come back to retest this level. So this is what we call a miss. Maybe higher level might be something like this. So you're anticipating price to come down a little bit lower, expecting price to come down lower. So this is a miss. Okay, so we have a miss here. So I'm expecting price to trade into this range. Inside of this range, once I get a confirmation candle, probably on the 1 hour time frame, this is where I'm going to sell from. So I can actually bring this my trade forward. Let's even assume you intend to enter from this point. You'll be risking above the range. Am I correct? Let me check. Okay, this article to this higher proper. So above this range, this is where I have my trade setup. Something like this. But let me just delete this one and maybe input another one so I can get it correctly. So this is my all the way down. This is what I'm targeting. This is my first trade. You get. But now this trade now, take profit 1 is going to be around this low. Then take profit 2, it targets down. You get. So this is what my trade looks like on GBPUSD. So you can see I'm reaching about 30 pips to make about 70 pips. 30 pips to make about 240 pips on this trade. You get. So this is what I'm actually looking at. So let me go back to the 4 hour time frame and wait for price during London section tomorrow for me to have a trade entry. Now, what if this does not hold? Now, if this trade does not hold, it means I will have a break above this zone, a full body candle breaking above this zone. Yeah. So if I get something like this, then I might consider this monthly SNR here. But from the look of things, this SNR is no longer fresh because we have this test here. So I believe if it breaks above, then we'll continue buying up to this point. But for now, this is what I'm looking at. Yeah, this is what I'm looking at for now. So bye guys.